Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we're gonna open up settings, though I'm gonna mute this first. So there we go, settings. From here we're gonna navigate down to battery and device care. Then we're gonna select storage. Allow, and this will initially show you the storage of your phone itself, but when you swipe to the left you will get your SD card, and in here all you need to do is click on the three dots, select format. This will ask if you want to format your SD card. Everything on SD card will be erased, so obviously if you have anything there that you don't want to remove, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Once you have done so, you can then select format, and there we go. Now it disappears at the moment, so give it a second. Once it's finished formatting, it will reappear, and there we go. We have now two dots, so it's back. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.